In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries in your Nintendo Game Boy. Now, if you've ever owned a Game Boy, the batteries have probably died at least once, and you probably don't know how to replace them, which is why I'm making this guide right now. So, the first thing we're going to need is a screwdriver. Now, I got my screwdriver. Now I'm going to use the screwdriver to pry open the battery door. Now, these batteries are all dead, and I'm going to remove them and put some new ones in. But first, I'm going to put on a pair of gloves to protect the Game Boy from my greasy, nasty fingertips. So, I'm putting on the gloves. Now that my gloves are on, I can resume working. So, I'm going to take this battery out, and then I'm going to take this one out. I'm going to take this one out. Now I'm going to take this one out. Alright, now that I have my batteries out, you can rub your oily little fingers all over the contacts, and that will greatly increase conductivity, which is certainly going to help with something. But yeah, now I got my 4 batteries, got my Game Boy, put that one in. Alright, putting the batteries in. Oh no, this one doesn't fit. That's a real problem. But luckily, I have an idea. I'm going to make the battery longer so it fits. So I'm going to cut out some squares of cardboard so I can tape them onto the end of the battery so it'll be long enough to fit in the thing, and then it'll work. Now, I got my battery here, and I got my tape. So, now, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of tape. I'm going to stick it on there like that, and there we go. Now, it's time to do the same with the other side. Alright, we gotta stick it on like that, and then tape it down. There we go. Now, it should fit in the battery terminal. And it does! Amazing! That's what I call a success. Now, let's see if the Game Boy turns on. It doesn't turn on. It seems that my little battery fix doesn't work. But I've only got 3 AA batteries here, and I need 4 of them. And all the other ones are dead, but I need 4 of them, which means that I'd have to go to my local grocery store about 5 minutes away and buy some new batteries. Now, clearly, the logical solution is to buy a new Game Boy. Alright, I've bought a new Game Boy, and this one only needs 2 AA batteries. So, I'm going to go ahead and put in my batteries. Now, get the battery door and put it back on. And I'm also going to get my game, put it in. I'm going to turn on the Game Boy. It works! Amazing! Now I can play Kirby's Dream Land. Alright, that concludes this video. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.